If you have a pull down menu like that, and this pull down menu is affiliated to this one here, you can see pencil to SD card, they're all in here. What happens if you add an additional item here, let's say for example like that, you'll realize that in your list the last item, which is glue, is not there. How do you dynamically add them? Let me show you how it's done. First of all, I'm just gonna clear this list item from here. First, you select all your list data and you press Ctrl T to make it into a table. I'm gonna leave the checkbox here because my table do have a header here. Click OK. Once that's done, your list data becomes a table. So now I'm gonna create a new list here. Select the cell, then you go to data and you go to data validation, and allow, you're gonna put to list, and source, you're gonna select the data. This is the same way you create a list, but this time around you're selecting a table. Once you select that and list is under allowed, click on OK. Now you have a same thing, you have the same set of a pull down or a list. The last one is SD card here. So if you want to add additional item in here, you select the last item here, press tabs, and then you add your new item in here. And if you go back to your pull down menu here, you'll realize that the last item is added to your list here. You can do another one more if you like, and you can see that list is updated with the last item.